Hello, this is Sarah and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a paper flower graduation lei. Please like this video below and subscribe to my channel. You could also find the supplies listed below along with the template to make the flowers and the year to cut with your Cricut, Silhouette, or other cutting machines. I got the year cut on cardstock paper, found this gold cardstock paper and layered it. You could do it with your matching school colors. I also made some paper orchids that I have a full tutorial for these and will be linked below. You shape them and then stack them on top of each other with hot glue and make a few of these paper orchids to put on your graduation lei. I also made some paper roses that I'll be linking below, the full tutorial and the template as well. And I also have the paper lilies as well. I have a wide range of paper flowers you could include on the lei. Grab a ribbon that matches with your school colors. And I used 1.5 inches on the ribbon, but you could find some ribbon that are thicker than that. Then I cut the ribbon nicely at the end and used a lighter to secure the edges. Then carefully place all the flowers and the numbers nicely along the ribbon just to see where you're going to put this. I made sure there were some space from the neck to the collar, and then I made the lei hit right below my waist roughly. Then go back and hot glue each one of the flowers in place along with the numbers. For the bigger flowers that don't have a backing, I bunched a few of the lilies with the wire, and then I used a green leaf shape made with cardstock paper as well, and glue that on top of the wired bundle and continue by adding the other flowers to hide that area. Lastly, I used some ribbon randomly to embellish, make it into a bow. I have made more traditional leis with paper flowers that I'll also link here, and I also have a few graduation cap tutorials too that will pair well with these leis. Please like this video below and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.